Are you thinking about buying a home, but you don't know where to start? Well, first off, you need an agent who is there to protect you and who has your best interests at heart. I've worked with hundreds of buyers throughout the years, helping them secure their dream home. There are so many moving pieces to purchasing a home, and if you're not careful, it can cost you thousands of dollars on the back end.
Hi, this is Andrea Larson with eXp Realty.
Here is the best part. We are free. It does not cost the buyer anything to work with us. The seller typically pays for all of the fees. The seller has an agent who is representing them and their best interest, and you need one as well, somebody standing by your side to protect you. I'm here to guide you through every phase of the transaction, from finding you that perfect home and make professional recommendations as to what you should or shouldn't do throughout every phase of the transaction. I will guide you through making an offer, positioning yourself on getting your offer accepted, even when there are many offers on the table. I will make suggestions on what you should and shouldn't be asking for, financing strategies, and what inspections you should have, repairs, and what costs are customary for the buyer to pay and what is customary for the seller to pay. We will go over all the contingencies as well together, and so much more. I am here to help you, to hold your hand, and to guide you through every part of the process to ensure that you make the right choice for you and your family and not to spend unnecessary money. I'm here to be your support system and your lifelong friend, even after I give you the keys to your new home. Please reach out and I will help you on your way to that perfect home that you've always wanted. I've got you covered. Make it a great buying and selling day in this beautiful sunny state of Arizona.